Hi cuties! If naghahanap ka ng legit na Indian at Arabic food na hindi lang masarap pero affordable pa, well, I've got you covered. Today, I'm taking you sa isang lugar na merong sobrang solid na biryani, shawarma at samosas. Relax na relax yung vibe dito and casual lang. Perfect na perfect to para sa mga gusto ng comfort food na may international twist. Pwede kayong mag-take out and dine in. Actually, meron pa silang available seats upstairs. According to them, you can also book this place for your friends or family to chill and eat. Super bait din ng staff and very accommodating. Now, let's get to the best part. Ang pagkain. Ang dami naming na-try cuties. We tried their chicken biryani and beef biryani na parehas malaki ang serving. Parehas rin silang masarap pero for me, mas okay yung chicken biryani. Nag-order din kami ng beef shawarma wrap duo na very meaty and masarap lalo na kapag hinaluan ng garlic sauce. Then, hummus with paratha and butter paneer masala with pita na both with rich taste and smooth texture. Ang sarap! We also tried their chicken samosa na parang Indian style empanada with potatoes inside. And for our drinks, plain and mango lassi na sakto lang yung asim and tamis. Kaso hindi masyadong chilled yung na-try namin. Tingin ko mas masarap to kung mas malamig pa eh. Pero okay pa rin naman. Anyway, stand out talaga for us yung samosa. First time ko siya natikman and let me tell you, ang sarap! Affordable ang prices dito and the serving sizes are generous. Big win sa value for money. Nakapag-takeout pa nga ako ng sobra. Kung hanap mo ay authentic Indian and Arabic food na sulit sa bulsa, Big Mommy's is the place to be. Personal fave ko na to and I've returned several times na nga eh. So yes, I highly recommend this restaurant. Dito kami sa Big Mommy's Tagaytay kumain pero ang dami pa nilang ibang locations. Feel free to pause the video or check the description para makita nyo yung iba nilang locations. At kung hindi ka makalabas, pwede ka naman mag-order online. Let me know if matatry mo ito and if masarap and sulit din for you. Thanks for watching, cutie! Follow me for more recos! Bye!